Hi, I'm Sean McDonald. I work for Kennedy Industries, and I've been with Kennedy for about 1.5 years now. We specialize in pump, valve, and actuators. We do repair, we do field work, we rehab stations, pretty much everything that has to do with pumping. We as a company, we cover pretty much all of Michigan. We go to Wisconsin, Indiana, and down to Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia. Sometimes we go out to New York. Right now I'm doing a bunch of PMAs, which are periodic maintenance assessments. So I'll go out to a pump station and check all the electrical work on the pumps, pull the pumps up and down, clean them if they need to be cleaned, check impeller clearances, oil, just make sure the station's up and up. I like the cabinets, to be honest with you. They're real sturdy. They got a lot of room for all my tools. It looks bad on the company when you get to a job when you're 2 hours away, you don't have the right tools, and now you got to go to the store and buy them. So having the right tools is a big part of our job. I got storage units that I don't even use because there's so much storage. The hydraulic outriggers and the hydraulic crane is very nice. It's very smooth and it's pretty easy to work with too. This crane, I think the max capacity is right around 4,500 pounds. The heaviest that I've lifted with this crane so far is probably a 2,200 pound pump. I used to be in, can't remember the body or what kind of truck it was, but that truck compared to this truck is it's night and day.